Here are 6 benefits of why you should be using YouTube Shorts to market and promote your business. Number 1, they are simple and easy to create. You can simply pull out your phone and create a YouTube Short in less than 10 minutes. If you're not yet doing YouTube Shorts, then you should be adding it to your content schedule and your content strategy. And why you should be doing that is it'll give you an opportunity to get in front of a wider audience, and it'll give your channel an opportunity to attract new subscribers and to grow. Number 2 are lots of views. New creators are being discovered every day from YouTube Shorts. A lot of business owners are getting brand awareness for their business, and there's a huge opportunity for subscribers and growth, and to increase your influence and revenue in your business. Number 3 is exposure to new audiences. You can be tapping into your competitors' audiences to get the attention on you. Number 4, YouTube is promoting YouTube Shorts, just like TikTok and Meta are promoting their Reels. Number 5, it's still early. YouTube Shorts is only 4 years old and it's evolved over the past few years. And it's still early for you to be taking massive action and going all in on YouTube Shorts. And number 6, your short form video is the tip of your content strategy. You can create a YouTube Short less than 3 minutes in length, and if you do it a strategic way, you can save that video. And now you have an asset that you can leverage inside of your business. And this is where you should be focusing your time every day to be creating daily assets. Your video assets can be posted on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, LinkedIn. By doing this, you're capturing the attention of your audience on all of the social media platforms. When you've got your profiles optimized on those platforms, you'll be directing all that traffic back to one place. And for most businesses, that is your website. For those that are interested, they can subscribe to you, they can follow you on those social media platforms, and they can come and find you over on YouTube to consume your longer form content. Do you need to be posting on every platform? No, you don't. Only post on the social media platforms where your audience are spending their time. This is the 3rd W in my framework that helps you identify your clients, your customers, and your audience. But if you want to generate more sales, more leads, more clients, build your personal brand, then you may want to choose 2 to 3 different social media platforms where you can distribute your content. But if you don't want to be spending all day on social media posting your content, then you can use a tool like 𝑘𝙤𝙤𝙩𝙤 to distribute your content for you. When you're ready to try out 𝑘𝙤𝙤𝙩𝙩, then you can click the link down below in the description.